this is Brittany with WTI, bringing you the softest, comfiest blanket slash throw slash whatever you want to feel cozy. So this leopard blanket is so incredibly soft. My favorite part is that it's the same exact softness on both sides. So even though the overall texture of the pattern is different, the softness level is the same on both sides. It is a blanket that is a very good warmth. So like it is nice and warm and cozy, but it also would work for all seasons. And I especially love how huge this blanket is. This is on my queen size bed, and it literally fits as a blanket over the top of the entire queen size bed. I love to use it on the couch to be nice and cozy. I take it everywhere with me. I actually have this blanket in multiple colors and sizes. I am telling you, this is the best if you want a nice little throw that can work on your bed or couch, or honestly wrapped around you as a robe, walking around your house. And that's my point of view.